Mastering apologies in English. I apologize for. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very important aspect of communication, apologizing. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, I apologize for, and how to use it effectively. Remember, understanding how to apologize is crucial in English, as it helps maintain respectful and harmonious relationships. I apologize for is a formal way of expressing regret or sorrow for something that has been done. This phrase is often used in more formal or professional settings. It's a way of taking responsibility for an action and showing that you understand its impact. For instance, I apologize for the late submission of the report. This phrase is suitable in situations where formality is required or when the mistake has had a significant impact. It is less casual than saying, I'm sorry, and thus, it's often used in business contexts, formal letters, or when addressing someone you don't know well. For example, I apologize for any inconvenience caused. When constructing an apology, it's important to clearly state what you are apologizing for. This helps the listener understand your regret and sincerity. A standard structure is, I apologize for action, mistake. It's also good to include an explanation if necessary, like, I apologize for missing our meeting, I was stuck in traffic. To make your apology more sincere, you can add phrases like, sincerely, or truly. For example, I sincerely apologize for the misunderstanding. Additionally, you can offer a solution or a promise of action, such as, I apologize for the error, and I will ensure it does not happen again. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use I apologize for effectively in English. Remember, a sincere apology can go a long way in building and maintaining relationships. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when needed. See you in our next lesson.